to participate in this mega event. We are from QuidelOrtho. We are here with our point of care solution, Quidel Triage Meter Pro. It's a point of care device which is used near patient bedside for cardiac biomarker testing and getting results of TROP-I, CKMB, myoglobin, BNP, D-dimer, NT-proBNP, which are used for diagnosing and risk stratification of patients of myocardial infarction, heart failure, pulmonary embolism. And we also have introduced our high-sensitive TROP-I, which is called as Triage 2, for the patient benefit. The results are given to the clinician in 15 to 20 minutes of time for quick diagnosis of the patient and triaging of the patient. At this point, we are in point of care with one instrument, which is Triage Meter Pro. And the importance of this machine is that it provides quick diagnosis to the clinicians for diseases such as heart failure, myocardial infections, deathly, and importance is that clinicians should get some actionable result in shortest period of time so that they can save the myocardium for the patient.